Hi everyone, I'm Steve Parrino from Brown Harris Stevens, and today I'm so excited to come to you from this beautiful penthouse apartment on West 82nd Street with this fantastic, gigantic, private roof deck just for you. With private water and electric, you'll be able to have great entertaining spaces here, whether it's during the daytime or during an evening party. You have about 5 or 6 different spaces to sit down, entertain, host, and even a private little shed to store away all your shovels and plants. Now let's take a walk into the apartment and see just how special this place truly is. Access through a beautiful wood panel elevator and 1 flight up of marble stairs, this exceptional loft home is flooded with light from all 4 exposures through large windows, casting a warm glow upon the hardwood floors and accentuating the high ceilings. The open floor plan seamlessly integrates the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an inviting space perfect for rooftop entertainment, with recently renovated kitchen featuring stone counters and high-end appliances. The layout and finishings are perfect with these tall French doors that separate the entertaining wing from this expansive bedroom suite with a separate second living space and office area with custom built-ins and a gorgeous view onto your own roof deck. West 82nd Street is also ideally located in the heart of the Upper West Side. With its proximity to Riverside Park and Central Park, you will not find a better location with its amazing restaurants, shops, and boutiques. Again, I'm Steve Parrino from Brown Harris Stevens, and if you want to see this amazing apartment, give me a call and I'd be happy to show you.